Elastic Cloud Server Video. Setting up a WordPress website, Linux. WordPress is a free open-source content management system. It helps you quickly build personal forums, media libraries, member websites, learning management systems, and online stores. You can quickly set up a WordPress website on a Huawei Cloud ECS. This video demonstrates how to set up a WordPress website on a Linux ECS. There are 5 steps in total. Step 1. Log into an ECS. Step 2. Set up an LNMP environment. LNMP is a web server architecture consisting of Nginx, MySQL, and PHP running in Linux. You need to install and configure Nginx, MySQL, and PHP in Linux first. Step 3. Test the LNMP environment. Step 4. Create a database. Step 5. Install WordPress. Log into the Huawei Cloud Console. Choose Elastic Cloud Server. Locate the target ECS and click Remote Login. Enter user root and its password. If information in the red box is displayed, the login is successful. First, install Nginx. Download the Nginx software package of the required version. Create the yum repository of Nginx. Install Nginx. Start Nginx. Enable Nginx to start automatically upon ECS startup. Check the Nginx startup status. Enter http:// IP address of the Nginx server in the address bar of the browser to access Nginx. If Welcome to Nginx is displayed, Nginx has been installed. Next, install MySQL. Download the MySQL installation package. Run the following commands in sequence to install MySQL. Start MySQL. Enable MySQL to start automatically upon ECS startup. Check the MySQL status. If information similar to the content in the red box is displayed, MySQL is running properly. Obtain the root user's password that is automatically set during MySQL installation. Run the command and follow the prompts to harden MySQL. Enter the password of user root obtained in the previous step. Set a new password for user root. Do not change the password of user root and press N. Press Y to remove anonymous users. Press Y to disallow root login remotely. Press Y to delete the test database and remove access to it. Press Y to reload privilege tables. The MySQL database is hardened. Next, install PHP. Install the EPEL repository. Install the RUMI repository. Install the yum repository management tool. Install PHP 7.4. Check the version of the installed PHP. If information similar to the content in the red box is displayed, PHP is installed. Start PHP. Enable PHP to start automatically upon ECS startup. Modify the Nginx configuration file to support PHP. Open the configuration file nginx.conf to obtain its directed path. Enter :quit to exit nginx.conf. Open the configuration file default.conf. Press I to enter insert mode. In the server paragraph, modify or add the information in the red box. Press Escape to exit insert mode. Enter :WQ to save the settings and exit. Reload the Nginx configuration file. Then the PHP is installed. Next, test the LNMP environment. Create and open the info.php test file in the nginx/html directory. Press I to enter insert mode. Add the content in the rid box to the info.php file. Press Escape to exit insert mode. Enter :WQ to save the settings and exit. Enter http://server IP address/info.php in the address bar of the browser. If this page is displayed, the LNMP environment is set up. Next, create a database. Log into the MySQL CLI as user root. Enter the password of user root. Create a database. In the command, WordPress is the database name, which is configurable. Create a user for the database and assign the full access permissions to the user. In the command, WordPress user is the username for logging into the database, and the content in the single quotation marks is the password of the user. You can set the username and password as needed. Enter exit to exit the MySQL CLI. Next, check whether the database and user are created. Log into the MySQL CLI using WordPress user. Enter the password. Check all databases. If WordPress is displayed, the database is created. Enter exit to exit the MySQL CLI. Last, install WordPress. Enter the nginx/html directory. Download the WordPress package. Decompress the package to generate a WordPress folder. Go to the WordPress installation directory. Copy the example configuration file to the wp-config.php file, and save the example configuration file as a backup. Open and edit the created configuration file wp-config.php. Press I to enter insert mode. Modify the database name, username, and password. Press Escape to exit insert mode. Enter :WQ to save the settings and exit. Enter http://server IP address/WordPress in the address bar of the browser to access the installation wizard. Set the site title, administrator username, password, and email address. Then, click Install WordPress. Check that the installation is successful. Click Login. Enter a username and password. Click Login. The Welcome to WordPress is displayed. Now the WordPress website is set up. You can enter http://server IP address/wordpress/wp-login.php in the address bar of the browser to access the website. You can also apply for a domain name and configure DNS records for the website so that you can access the website using the domain name.